Alright, how's everyone doing? So my Accord 2012 car radio does not work anymore. And I couldn't find this anywhere, so hopefully this will help you out. So my radio, the aux does not work. I took it apart and it has a thermal paste on it. So once the thermal paste goes out, you know, the radio's just overheating, and then eventually it'll stop working. So I bought an aftermarket CarPlay radio, and the way, I couldn't find this anywhere, but the way I fixed the radio, you buy the aftermarket radio, and then you gotta buy the cords, the harnesses, and you gotta connect them together. So this one, I don't wanna mess this up. This one connects to the Android tablet, and it's already wired. So all you gotta do is just match the colors. And then this one's for the 2012 Accord. So now when you take this apart, you got all these wires. This is, and I'll just tell you what these are. These are the hazard lights. These are the climate control plug. And then you got 4 of these. This one connects to the clock that's up here. So we're not really using that one. This one connects to the CD player. And this one is your main one. This is the power supply, and the speakers and antenna are in this one. And this one, this could be antenna too, but we're not really worried about that one. But all you have to do is just, you know, make yourself your own harness. So if your radio goes out and you can't use it anymore, and there's no sound, or you put FM, AM, aux, nothing happens, your radio is probably shot. It's got a thermal paste in there, and once that goes out, it just overheats and it just stops working. It's time for a brand new one. So I just got the upgrade, and you just plug it in. Oh, and then with these wires, when you're doing these wires, these are pre-cut wires. So if you take them apart, and what I did was try just putting it in there and crimping them, and it didn't work. So what you have to do is you have to take this out, the pre-cut wire, and then you have to fold the tip in half, and then when you put it in the other part in here, it should allow you to crimp the wire so it doesn't move, so it has a good connection. So that's it. You're just pretty much wiring your main radio unit to your aftermarket unit, and we're not really using the rest of these, and that's all you have. It's just this one bundle. You don't have a bunch of wires. You gotta plug this and plug that. No, it's just this one, and it'll get your radio working. And I'm gonna hook it up, and I already tested it. It worked, so pretty happy about that. All I had was just this bundle right here. So what I'm gonna do is just electrical tape all of this, plug it in, put everything back together, and I'm good to go. Radio starts working, and you know, hopefully this will help you, because you know, 2012 radio, you don't really know that it overheats, and they don't tell you gotta change the thermal paste, but it has thermal paste, and after a while it's just gonna go. So I'm just gonna upgrade it, get the 2 harnesses, connect them together, and that's it. Put everything back together and it should be good. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, here's the final setup. Brought the USB cord down here, and pretty much none of this works. It's already broken, so you can't change the volume. The volume's on here, and pretty much it's just Bluetooth. None of these work, so pretty much I'm just playing music off my phone. So it's not bad. You know, everything's off my phone anyway, so don't really listen to the radio. That's it. It's all set up. It's just got one harness, and that's it.